Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can convert a Google Slides presentation into a GIF. We're going to use a web app for this, and this web app is called Tall Tweets. Visit Tall Tweets and sign in with your Google account. Click the presentation button and then select the presentation that you want to convert to a GIF. You can select how wide the GIF is going to be, and Tall Tweets is going to adjust the height accordingly. Next, you have to select the duration that each slide should play in the GIF. You can select the duration in seconds, and remember that the longer the duration is, the longer your GIF is going to be. I'm just going to set it to 1. And the last thing you need to do is you need to set the order that the slides will play in. If you want to play the slides in their current order, simply enter their number separated by a comma. To exclude a slide from the GIF, all you have to do is skip its number when you're adding it in the sequence. When you're done, click the Create GIF button and you're going to have a GIF of the presentation that you created in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.